President Kenyatta augite mitino ya barabara no ithiete na mbere na kuongerereka miena itiganite guku bururi-ini thengia thirikari kwirutira hari waki wa barabara na guthondeka iria irathuka.
As we progress in transforming our nation, ushering in modern highways and transport corridors across our country, we regrettably continue to experience disturbing high rates of fatal injuries, accounting for 88 deaths per 100,000 persons on our roads.
Gukiri uguo President Kenyatta ugite thirikari ni hotorete hari gukinyukia makinya marumu niguo kunyihanyihia mitino ya barabara.
As a caring government, we have rolled out a number of interventions that focus on addressing the effects of road accidents as well as other emergency disasters, particularly in terms of direct impact on human health and safety.
Ihinde-ini uriu mutongoria wa bururi ni aheanire kigina kia milioni 10 kuri gikundi gia St John Ambulance besheria ikumahura njeki uheani-ini wa motungata ma naihenya kuri aria magurara mitino-ini ya barabara. Wajirumeta Inoro TV.